In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect wired controller to iPhone 15. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your controller through a wired connection on any iPhone model is extremely simple. All that you need is the proper USB cable. So I'm gonna teach you how to establish the wired connection between both devices. Keep in mind that this process is going to work, like I said, with any iPhone model, so the instructions are the same. All that you have to do is grab the USB cable, and if you have a modern controller, it is most likely going to have a USB-C port. Some older models might have micro USB instead. Regardless of the port on the controller, plug one end of the cable that you are going to be using into the controller, and the other end is going to go into your iPhone. So if you have a newer model, it is going to be USB-C, and for older models, it is going to be a Lightning port. All that you have to do is establish the physical connection between the controller and the iPhone. There is no secret to this, and as soon as it is connected like so, the controller will be used automatically on your iPhone, so you don't need to download any additional application. You can open any game that has support for controllers, such as Minecraft, Roblox, and it is going to be playable. The inputs will be translated automatically, so usually you will be using an X input controller, and everything will be translated accordingly on your iPhone, so you don't even have to download additional software or set it up manually. It is fully usable, and this will work flawlessly with any controller. If it doesn't work in a specific game that you are trying to play, it could indicate that that specific game or application doesn't have native controller support, and in that case, there's nothing else that you can do. Just try plugging the controller in, opening the game, and if you are unsure if your game supports controllers, you can do some research on Google to figure that out. But most games will have native controller support. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired controller to iPhone 15. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.